Hello, my name is Jimmy Clark. I work for BG Products. My company, BG Products, has teamed up with the Finnan Auto Group to offer you the highest level of maintenance services on the market. Today, I'm going to talk to you about an air induction service. This service is vital to your car's ability to handle drivability situations as well as to improve fuel economy. If you're anything like me, when it comes to any one of these services, it's hard really to understand what it is we're doing. What I like to do is actually take an everyday life situation and compare it to what that particular service and how it is performed. Just like us as humans, we need air to breathe. Your vehicle as well needs air to breathe. That air is breathed through the air intake system of your fuel system inside your car. For us, it would be our lungs. We need oxygen to go through our lungs, just like your vehicle needs oxygen to go through the air intake system of the car. Over time, carbon builds up inside of this system, which in turn makes it harder for your vehicle to breathe. This, in a lot of ways, is similar to someone that would have asthma. If you have asthma, for the most part you can breathe, but occasionally you need a hit of albuterol to help clear out your lungs. That is essentially what we're doing to your vehicle when we perform this service. We're giving your vehicle, your air intake system, a hit of albuterol to help clear out the lungs of your car. This in turn will help with fuel economy and the drivability of your vehicle for a long time to come. If you feel as if this service can be of benefit to you, please feel free to give either one of the Finnan's service departments a phone call so they can get you scheduled for your next service visit.